Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with exercise 5.2 for 8th class. Exercise 5.2. Okay. Now I'll read the question once. See the textbook. In the year 2012, it was estimated that there were 36.4 crore internet users worldwide. In the next 10 years, that number will be increased by 125%. Estimate the number of internet users worldwide in 2022. It is the question. So these are called verbal sums, and writing part is very important. So just answer is may decrease your marks. Okay, just answer may decrease your marks. Writing part is important for you. So now, in the year 2012, it was estimated that there were 36.4 crore internet users worldwide. So, worldwide, internet users in 2012 is equals to 36.4 crores. These many internet users are there in 2012 years. In next 10 years means next 10 years rate of increase in next 10 years. In next 10 years, how much increment will be there? Means 125%. 125% will be increased. Okay. Next 10 years means now the year is 2012. Okay. Next 10 years means add 10 for 2012. 2012 plus 10 gives 2022. So, in 2022, how many internet users will be there worldwide? How many families or how many members will use the internet? So here worldwide internet users in 2022 is equals to how much? It is the question. Now for this answer is this 36.4 crores, it will be obvious, it will be there. Plus not only 36.4 crores, 125% of 36.4 will increase. Means for this 36.4, this 125% of 36.4 crores is to be added. Now how much it becomes? 36.4, keep like this only. 125%, 125 by 100. Half means into. 36.4 means, okay, 36.4 I written like this. Now cancellations, if you do it, 25 4s are 25 5s are. Still any simplification is there, means 5. 36.4 can be written as 364 by 10. This 4 is as it is. Now 5 1s are 5 2s are. 2 1s are 2 18s are 2s are. 4 4s are 16. Means it won't go. Okay, 2 2s are 2 9s are 2 1s are. Means 91 by 2. 91 by 2. So 36.4 plus 91, if you divide with 2, 2 4s are 8, 11, 2 5s are 10, 1.0, so 45.5. Now for this 45.5 crores, if you add 36.4 crores, 5 plus 4 is 9, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1, 8. So how much you are getting? 81.9 crores. So in the year 2012, if 36.4 crores, if they are using internet, in coming next 10 years, in 2022, 81.9 crores they will use it. So it is the problem. Now same another question, means second question, if you see it, how it will be, I'll read the question, just listen this one. A owner increases the rent of his house by 5% at the end of each year. If currently its rent is 2500 per month, how much will be the rent after 2 years? See, these types of questions are very important in your higher classes as well as entrance test, bank examinations, some will be there. So maximum they'll neglect this one, and it's very important. Now we'll see the question here. A owner increases the rent of his house by 5% at the end of each year. Every year at the end he'll increase 5%. So here rate of increasing the rent for every year. How much rent will be there? In that 5%. In that 5% they'll increase this one. So present rent of the house. Present rent of the house is how much here? 2500 rupees per month. 2500 rupees per month. How much will be the rent after 2 years? After 2 years, how much rent it will be there? After 2 years, rent you have to find it. Now, what you should do is, see here, A is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. So it is the formula for compound interest. This formula you have to use it. Where P is there you have to write 2500. Rate of increase is 5%, so 5 by 100, and 2 years. 2 you have to write it. Now 2500 same. 5 by 100, both will go in 5 table. 1 plus 1 by 20 will be there. Whole square is there here. Next, 2500 will be like this only. 1 plus 1 by 20. So 1 is a number, 1 by 20 is a fraction. It is a natural number, it is a fraction. How you have to add a number to a fraction? Means you have to take LCM only. Directly 1 plus 1, 1 plus 20, we should not do it. For 1 and 20, the LCM is 20. One table if you read, how many times 20 will go means 20 times. Into its numerator is 1. Again 20, how many times it will go means 1 time. Its numerator is 1. Whole square is there, whole square I kept it. 2500 same. 20 ones are 20, 1 ones are 1 by 20 whole square. Means 2500 into 21 by 20 whole square. 2500 into, see, square means a square means a into a. 21 by 20 whole square means 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 cancelled. Now 2's are there, you can't cancel it. So 25 same. 21 21's are, if you do multiplication, 1 1's are 1, 1 2's are 2, 2 1's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 441 is there. Again it should be multiplied with 25. 5 1's are 5, 5 4's are 20, 0 2, 5 4's are 20 plus 2, 22, 2 1's are 2, 2 4's are 8, 2 4's are 8, 5 2 0 1 11. So you are getting 11,025 by 4. 11,025 by 4. Now 11,025 If you divide with 4, how much you will get it? I will see it. $11,025. How you have to divide with 4? 4 2s are 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. 0, take it down. 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. 2. Okay. Take 2 down. 4 5s are 20. Take down. 4 6s are 24. 1.025 means how much you are getting? 2,756.25. 2,756.25 rupees is the rent. So 2,756.25 rupees is the rent of that house after 2 years. Okay, this is the process how we have to do it. Next, we'll go to the third problem. What he given here, third problem, see it once. The third problem is, on Monday, the value of a company's share was 7 rupees 50 paise. The price increased by 6% on Tuesday, decreased by 1.5% on Wednesday, and decreased by 2% on Thursday. Find the value of each share when trade opened on Friday. So it is the problem. Now what you have to do is original value. The value of a company share was 7 rupees 50 paise on Monday. The price increased by 6% on Tuesday. So here, share of a company on Monday. Shares, company's share, how much it is there? 7 rupees 50 paise is there. Okay. Next, the price increased by 6% on Tuesday. On Tuesday, what happened? Tuesday, share, how much it is there, plus 6% of this much, 7 rupees 50 paise increased. Already 7 rupees 50 paise is there, 6% increased, 6% of 7.50. So you have to simplify this one. How to simplify? 7.50, okay. 6% means 6 by 100. 7.50 means 750 by 100. 0 cancelled. Okay. 5 1s are, 5 5s are, 5 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. You are getting 7.50, okay. 3 15s are 45. By 100 means 0.45. If you add, you are getting 7.95. So what is 7.95? It is a company's share on Tuesday. Company's share on Tuesday is this much. Tuesday enter, it will be continuous. Next, what he said is decreased by 1.5% on Wednesday. When company's share on Wednesday. Company's share on Wednesday. On Wednesday, what happened is, it should be 7.95, okay. But decreased 2%, he said, or not? Not 2%. Decreased by 1.5% on Wednesday. 1.5% of 7.95. This how to simplify is 7.95, keep like this only. 1.5% means 1.5 by 100 into 7.95 means 795 by 100. Again point is there. Point it has to go means 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10 or not. So 7.95, okay. 1.5 I wrote as 15. But I had to add more 10. 795 by 100. Now if you do simplifications, 15 and 795, if you do multiplication, how much you are getting is 15 and 795. 795 into 15. 5 5 is 25, 5 2, 5 9 is 45 plus 2, 47, 7 4, 5 7 is 35 plus 4 is 39, 795, 5, 12 to 1, 19, 9, 1, 11. So we are getting 11,925 by how many zeros here? 5 zeros. Okay. Before 5 digit you have to keep a point. 7.95 minus 0.11925. So here 0.11925 you can write as 0.12. You can simplify it as 0.12. So from 7.95, if you subtract 0.12, 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 minus 1 is 8, 7.83. So it becomes 7.83. Company share on Wednesday will be 7.83. 7.95 it should be, but 1.5% decreased means 7.83. Next what he said is, and decreased by 2% on Thursday. And decreased by 2% on Thursday. Again decreased. So here company's share on Thursday. How much it becomes? 7.83, okay, minus 2% of 7.83. So how to do simplification? See it here. 7.83 I am writing as it is, minus 2% means 2 by 100. 7.83 means 783 by 100. Okay. Now 7.83 as it is I written. With 2 multiply 783. 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16, 6 1, 15, 4 zeros are there. Means 7.83 minus 0.1566. So 7.83 minus 0.1566 you can write as 0.16. Okay. From 7.83, if you subtract 0.16 from 3, it won't, you can't subtract. 13 means 7, 13 minus 6 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6, 7. So it will be 7.67. So this will be there. Find the value of each share when trade opened on Friday. So trade it will be fixed on before day is nothing but trade opened on the next day. So on Thursday it is closed with 7.67. okay, means when it is closed, how much rate it is there. Next day when it is opened also it will have same rate or not. Means the share of the company when trade opened on Friday will be 7.67 rupees. Okay, thank you. We will see remaining and do as homework. I can't explain all the problems. Okay, you try it. If you have any doubt, just ask me.